Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be learning our first lightsaber move. As we know, this is the Obi-Ani from this scene right here in Revenge of the Sith. Yes, so I absolutely love this move. It's a very cool one. So yeah, hope you guys going to enjoy this video, and I will be making a second part to this, second video to this, so that'll be coming out soon. So yeah, let's go. Let's learn the Obi-Ani lightsaber move. Right, so there are 3 steps to this lightsaber move. Yeah, so just be worried, you're going to be spinning this a bit. If you don't know really how to spin, yeah, or do the tricks, haven't had any practice for, haven't had any training, don't really know, just doing this for the first time, make sure you're on a good surface, like a soft surface, something that's not hard, because you want to be making sure that you don't want to, if you do drop your lightsaber, which will probably happen, you don't need to damage it or use a lightsaber like mine here. This is just a little, it's like $20 Blade Builders one, or Hasbro one, I don't know which ones you get. Just use that because it's only like 20 bucks. If it gets damaged, if it's breaks, I don't mind too much. I just go get a new one if I can. But yeah, so definitely don't be doing this with your $500, $600 Saber Forge, or Ultra Sabers, or Galaxy's Edge lightsabers. If you damage it, don't sue me. It's not my fault. Okay, I'm getting to this. So, the first step is the basic 12. Now, most of you probably know what this is, and it's the simplest spin and trick for a lightsaber. So yeah, you guys should probably already know this. Even if you don't, or you don't know the name of this, you'll just randomly be doing this probably if you have a lightsaber. Yeah. So, it's just a basic 12. You want to pop the lightsaber, go down, and come back up like that to starting position. So just like that, you're just going to do that over and over and over. That's what you do. Make sure you're doing this with both hands as well, as we're going to be doing this with both hands. Second video and more. So yes, can't really do it with my left, it's pretty hard. You can only do it with both, but yeah, so just keep on doing that. And that's the basic 12. You should probably know what the basic 12 is by now. If you don't, like I said, then this is the basic 12. Try doing it to both sides of you, left to right. Then you can increase speed and make it really fast. Yeah, and get it really cool. So this will look really, really cool when you get it done. Yeah, or you can just do it slow, or you can get really fast on one side, and yeah. It's practically so top of the lightsaber, pull down, back around. Right, so that's the first one there. Second one is the side 12. So to do the Obi-Ani, this is what we want to do. So practically we're just going to get a quick back 12s going on. As we are doing the basic 12 here, we're just going to turn it to side. So we're going to side on and get the lightsaber back behind you around the side. Yeah. So this is the side 12. We're going to go this out to the side more, and we're just going to go like this over out here. So it goes around us, out to the side. Goes around us, out to the side. So yes, that is the side 12. Again, whatever hand you are, left or right, no matter what, try and practice doing it both sides. I'm pretty bad on my left. I'm just going to do it on my right today. But yeah, so step 3 is called the interrupt. So as you may know, doing this with the Obi-Ani, what you want to do next is you want to do the back, and then you want to come around here. You know when you do this, like your wrist cannot come around, like it gets stuck. So what you want to do is that, once you 12, right, you come back here, and you try and get your wrist around again, around your body. You can't do that physically possible. So what you want to do, 12, practically get your hand in your lightsaber hilt on the side of your body, right? So practically you want to hold it out horizontal like this, and you just want to place it on the side of your back. So pretty much just there, yeah. just like that. You want to like have your knuckles right in there and bottom of it right in there. So once you've done that, then you want to come around and go like that. So you get it around. Just like that. This allows you to not be stuck, and this allows you to have the flexibility to actually come back around and turn the lightsaber. So with this step here, what we want to do, we want to come around and turn it back to starting position, just like this. Just like that, starting position, and back. So again with the side twirls, the back side twirls, we're going to go 1, here, and back. So obviously, don't end up cutting yourself in half with the lightsaber because you end up like Darth Maul. Yeah. Anyway, here, around the side, and there, and you can even end up on a basic control, but that isn't exactly the Obi-Ani. So what we want today is this and that, back around. So yeah, practice doing this, get the feel of it, practice doing the basic control, we haven't done it, practice doing the back twirls, as they feel really weird at first, but once you do it, you'll get used to it. And yeah, practice the side twirl out to the side as well. And practice the interrupt a lot, as that's going to really help. Yeah, your lightsaber spins, a lot of them, especially getting the wrist to come around. And yeah, you can just have fun in it. Anyway, to advance on this Obi-Ani and complete the full Obi-Ani spin, what you want to do, check out my second video on this. Yeah, as I will be showing you how to, and it's a very cool video, and I also advance some of the spins and add some cool elements into it, such as throwing a lightsaber. So yes, make sure you hit the like button if you've enjoyed this video, share it with your friends, share it with your family if you even want to do that, and subscribe if you're new, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the rest of any other series I post, any other content I post. Remember, the Force will be with you always.